Hello guys, welcome in Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to install any operating system by virtue of USB bootable. So I have created USB bootable of operating system Windows 10. So how can I go for install in my laptop or PC? Simple procedure you have to install for any device, whatever that is PC or laptop, and it doesn't matter that which company belongs to your device. Simple procedure, if you don't want to install Windows 10, any operating system, whatever Windows 10, 7, 8.1 or 8, by virtue of not a CD-ROM, then simply you have to go for insert this pendrive. So I will insert in a USB jack here, let's see. And after inserting, what you have to do, just simply you have to switch on your laptop. Before switching on, see, you have to switch off your laptop by pressing this button. How it is show, see guys, just to see, at the moment it's switching on. Now what you have to do, just you have to hold this till it's not going to completely switch off your device. Now see, it's a completely switch off. Now you have to go for switch on once again, and you have to here go for 12, because there was an option for boot option, so that's one I have to select. So different computer have a different specified key, but here for Dell 12 button is functional for selection of boot mode. So now see guys, here I will go here, see actually USB storage devices are given here, hard drive is given here, CD. So guys, if you have a CD-ROMs, then directly you can select here, but I'm doing at the moment by virtue of the USB bootable pen drive. So just I will go for USB storage device and I will go for enter now. Now see guys, in this video tutorial I will also show you this how you will use the trial application once again in your PC or laptop, because as we know that some of the trial application specifies the validity not to 30 days you can consume as well as you can use of with any software. But in this video tutorial I will show you that you have to install this window according to this way, then you will be able to also consume the once again that software has been already expired in your PC or laptop after 30 days. That's once again you will be able to use it, and developer won't be tracking this software is already used here, the consumes in this device. So let's see, I will select here English, I will select the English United States and I will go for next here simply. Now I will go for here, see install now. So now setup is starting at the moment. Now let's see. Now here I have to select which window I would like to install. So simply I would like to go for Pro and setup 64-bit. So this is guys the selections. Yes, you can select the operating system you want to install as well as boot also. So architecture means that will be boot. So x64 that means will be a 64-bit, and x84 that will be approximately 32-bit. So here I will go for now next. Now see guys, here just I have to go for select. Now after selections I have to go for next. Then I have to go for once again custom install only. So custom install, here I will select. Now here you have to request which one is your C drive. So guys, I have already selected this. Partition 4 is my C drive. So according to your device, which one partition you have selected as a C drive for window installation, that you have to select. Now guys, here see clearly I have a 4-5 option to choose: refresh, delete, format, load, driver and extended. So simply if you don't want to use trial application once again as a trial on your PC or laptop, then directly you can go for format here. So see, at the moment I will go for format. So now it's a formatted. But when now I will go for install directly, then whatever trial application that you have used in your PC for 30 days, as we know, for example, internet download manager or other application, they have specified the trial version for 30 days only one. So how you will go for it? Once again, use this software on this laptop once again. So simply what you have to do guys, here see, you have to go for delete options. Delete option means I'm going to delete the partition 4, this one. So and then once again I will go for new creation of the partition. So let's see, actually if you don't want to do such a procedure that you will be able to, you don't want to use trial application once again on your PC or laptop, then don't do it. Just to simply go for format and go for next. Otherwise, if you would like to use the trial application all that you have used on this PC and at this present time it's not a functional, it's a saying that go for registration to use this application, that's one also you will be able to use here. How it is show? Just I will go for delete it. So now see guys, it's deleted. Now once again I will go for, now see, it's become drive 0 unlocated space. So just I will select this one because it was a C drive, and now I will go for yellow color sign mark on a new, and here I will go for apply. It's asking that what size you would like to create as a new partition. So I have selected already, it's a 50 GB. So let's see, I will go for apply. Now it's applied and it's a become the partition 4 of 50.7 GB. So now what I will do, just I will go for next. So now see guys, it has started to install the window, and whatever trial application that you have already used in your PC or laptop, that will be once again functional as a trial on your PC or laptop. So this is a good strategy to use and consume the once again the trial application that you don't want to register of that. Simultaneously, this procedure is similar to install the window in any computer. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. Sometimes see one thing, let you inform, that is a very important thing here. Thus after installing, when it will restart, then it's go once again the menu. In that situation what you have to do, and not a completed window installation proper way, then in that situation just you have to write the comment below the comment box. I will give you solutions. Otherwise simply just you have to exit off your pen drive, and once again you have to insert in your PC, and then you have to go for just start by pressing this one. You have to press on a button and you have to simply start. After switching on, then it will directly, and you don't have to do anything, directly it will catch since where it left the installing the completion window in your PC or laptop. So guys, this is a way, otherwise it will complete absolute 100%, but after finishing up, as we know that there will be a restart, and the situation once again it casts the menu because of this USB pen drive. It's not happening in the every laptop, but sometimes in a situation I am telling you this solution that you have to go for simple way. You have to exit this pen drive, and after exit, then once again you have to insert. When you have to insert, just firstly you have to switch off your computer, then once again you have to go for switch on your computer, and then you have to exit once again this pen drive in your PC or laptop where you would like to install the window, in any operating system, and then you have to do, don't touch any key button, directly it will screen and cache, and where it was left, from there it will start to cache to complete whole window installation. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. Wherever you will get a problem, just you have to write the comment and the query below the description box, the comment box. I will reply as soon as possible. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. How do you like this video tutorials? Don't forget like and subscribe to my channels, and leave the feedback, leave the comment as a feedbacks below the comment box, guys, because this is a thing that will inspire me to make more and more video for education purpose. So thank you guys, have a great time, bye bye.